Check this out. Real talk. How many times have you planned your business and walked away feeling productive, but still had 0 new clients and 0 new income? Planning feels like work, but it doesn't pay rent. Only movement does that. When I hit 0 in Costa Mesa in my apartment, I didn't plan a way out. I grabbed a credit card, walked into a hardware store, and bought cleaning supplies. That night, I posted ads on Craigslist. Not clever ads, not beautiful ads, just ads that existed. And the phone started ringing. Full story in how I built my freedom house. Link below. Start moving at mademillionaires.com.